Have you ever found yourself in a legal bind, staring at complex documents, or trying to understand regulations, wishing there was an easier, more affordable way to get legal help? Perhaps you've thought about starting a business, drafting a will, or even just understanding a contract, only to be intimidated by the perceived cost and complexity of traditional legal services. It's a common dilemma, and one that highlights a significant barrier for many: access to justice. For a long time, legal assistance felt like a luxury, reserved for those with deep pockets or facing truly dire circumstances. The image of the stern, suited lawyer, the hushed law office, the hourly rates that could quickly spiral out of control. It was enough to deter anyone without a substantial budget. This created a huge gap, leaving individuals and small businesses vulnerable, often making critical decisions without proper legal guidance, simply because they couldn't afford it. Think about it. How many times have you needed a simple contract, a letter to a landlord, or just a quick question answered about intellectual property, only to decide it wasn't worth the hassle or the expense of consulting a lawyer? This isn't just an inconvenience. It can have real, tangible consequences, from missed opportunities to costly mistakes. The legal world, while essential for a functioning society, often felt like an exclusive club with a very high membership fee. But what if that wasn't the only option? What if there was a way to democratize legal services, to make them accessible, understandable, and affordable for everyone? What if you could get the legal documents you needed, have your questions answered, and even get professional attorney advice, all without breaking the bank or navigating a labyrinthine legal system? This is precisely the problem that online legal service platforms set out to solve. They aim to disrupt the traditional model, leveraging technology to streamline processes, reduce overheads, and pass those savings on to the consumer. And in this landscape of innovation, one name stands out as a pioneer and a long-standing presence: Rocket Lawyer. It's a name synonymous with online legal services, offering a wide array of tools and resources for individuals, families, and small businesses. But how long has Rocket Lawyer actually been in business? And what does their journey tell us about the evolution of legal tech and the shifting landscape of legal accessibility? To answer that question, we need to rewind a bit, back to a time when the internet was rapidly changing how we accessed information and services, but before online legal platforms were commonplace. Rocket Lawyer was founded in 2008. That's right, 2008. Now, let's put that into perspective. 2008 was a significant year globally. It was the year of the Beijing Olympics, the launch of the Apple App Store, and the global financial crisis. In the nascent world of online services, particularly those venturing into regulated fields like law, launching a platform like Rocket Lawyer was a bold move. It wasn't just about building a website. It was about building trust, establishing legitimacy, and convincing people that serious legal matters could be handled effectively and affordably in a digital environment. Think about the challenges they faced in those early days. The legal profession is steeped in tradition, and the idea of online lawyers or DIY legal documents was met with skepticism, if not outright resistance, from many corners. Yet, Rocket Lawyer pressed on, driven by the vision of its founder, Charlie Moore, who aimed to make high-value legal services available at a price almost everyone could afford. From its inception, Rocket Lawyer's core offering revolved around providing easy-to-use platforms for creating customized legal documents. Whether it was forming an LLC, drafting a will, or crafting a binding contract, their goal was to empower individuals and small businesses to handle common legal tasks without the prohibitive costs of traditional law firms. They started with a model that offered individual legal documents at a lower cost than standard attorney rates, with both a basic and a pro plan. The pro plan eventually evolved into a monthly subscription-based model, a change that significantly boosted their revenue and user engagement. Their growth wasn't just about document creation. Rocket Lawyer quickly understood that while self-service documents were valuable, people also needed access to qualified legal professionals. This led to the development of their on-call service, which provided a network of attorneys for consultations, document review, and even legal representation. This hybrid model, combining automated legal tools with human expertise, was a crucial differentiator and a testament to their commitment to comprehensive legal support. Over the past 16 years, because remember, 2008 to mid-2025 is a full 16 years of operation. Rocket Lawyer has expanded significantly. They've grown beyond the United States, launching Rocket Lawyer UK in 2012 and expanding into continental Europe in 2016. This international expansion further solidified their position as a global legal tech platform, helping millions of individuals and businesses across different legal jurisdictions. Their journey has also involved embracing technological advancements. For instance, they've been at the forefront of incorporating electronic signatures, ensuring that documents signed digitally through their platform hold the same legal weight as traditional wedding signatures. More recently, they've been exploring the integration of AI to further enhance their services, looking at how artificial intelligence can accelerate access to affordable legal services while maintaining ethical and legal standards. Rocket Lawyer's longevity in a rapidly evolving tech landscape is a testament to their adaptability, their focus on customer needs, and their unwavering commitment to their mission. They've navigated recessions, technological shifts, and a sometimes skeptical legal industry, consistently innovating and expanding their offerings. Their existence for over a decade and a half has not only allowed them to serve millions, but has also played a significant role in legitimizing and popularizing online legal services. So, when you ask, how long has Rocket Lawyer been in business? The answer isn't just a number. It's a story of over 16 years of pioneering legal technology, democratizing access to legal services, and consistently evolving to meet the changing needs of individuals and businesses worldwide. They've gone from a bold idea in 2008 to one of the most widely used legal service platforms globally, fundamentally changing how many people interact with the legal system. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.